Have you ever used chopsticks? Here's a test of your chopstick ability. See if you can pick up just a single grain of rice with chopsticks. I'm not very good at it. Missed. Missed again. There we are, made it. Try that. It's really difficult, but that's not the problem. Here's the problem for you. Not one grain of rice, but many. And the first thing you need to do with them is to put them in a small bottle. This is a small tablet bottle. Any kind will do, as long as it's fairly small. And then pour those rice grains in until they come almost up to the top. There we are. Just shake them down a bit, let them settle. And the problem is, can you think of a way of lifting up that bottle of rice grains with just a single chopstick? And none of them are allowed to fall out. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But it isn't. This is all you need to do. Take the chopstick and plunge it in. Then lift. And the whole bottle comes up. The reason it does that, of course, is that all the little rice grains are pushed sideways and they jam against the side of the bottle. You wouldn't think it'd work, but it does. Try it on your friends.
I want to know. Curiosity.